Subscribe now. EU Debates.
Let me be very clear. We have various instruments at the EU level to deal with the number of issues that we may wish to raise with Hungary in relation to rule of law matters or press freedom or elections or anything else. And those can be the rule of law report or can be enforcement procedures in relation to infringements. This is a very clear, specific procedure based on a regulation, based on its proper, specific procedures and grounds on which we can take any step. And this is what defines the terms of our discussions with the Hungarian government and what remedy we would seek from the Hungarian government side. So please let us be very clear. You need to look at the procedures and the legal framework on which we act to anticipate or to predict or to understand the steps that we take and the issues that we addressed. As to the questions that we have raised with Hungary under this procedure, Balázs has talked at length about them on several occasions. He would be happy to repeat very briefly the broad areas that we were looking at and on which our discussions focused.
Indeed, so here in the context of the mechanism, we are looking at the link between a possible breach of one of the principles of the rule of law and the financial interests or the budget of the European Union. So here we are quite in a quite a specific framework. And indeed on Tuesday, I took a bit of time to mention some of the broader areas that we were looking at or we are looking at in our interaction with Hungary. And these include the failure to prevent unlawful decisions by public authorities or the failure to ensure the absence of conflict of interests or the limitation of effective investigation and prosecution of cases involving union funds. So these would be the broad areas that we have been looking into in this context.
Thank you very much, Balázs. Any additional questions about this?